Hello dear friend, in today's tutorial we will go through 10 important features, hidden features and most important features in DaVinci Resolve 20. If you have downloaded DaVinci Resolve 20, you must know these features. Once you see this video till the end without skipping any part of the video, at the end of the video you will be able to use these features very proficiently for your daily work, for your productivity works. Dear friend, this is a master class for you. Most of our friend use DaVinci Resolve whole year, but they don't know how to use all these important features. That's why I have only selected 10 hidden features which we must know. We know most of content creators tell us on YouTube some features which are very in general use, but they don't cover these all hidden features, minute features of DaVinci Resolve 20. These features are very important. Dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more creative tutorial for you, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into our PC to go through all these new features, explore all these new features in DaVinci Resolve 20 here. Feature in DaVinci Resolve 20 is a multi-text feature. Now you can type multi-text on your screen, which is available in Premiere Pro etc. And you see here, this is the totally free for us, dear friend. You don't need to pay anything. Just download DaVinci Resolve 20 and start using. Just we come here multi-text and we will drag this to timeline here. Okay, just I extend our timeline and we can type actually multi-text on our screen and we can customize according to our need. For this, come here, you see add text. So we have default one text here. We just type here DaVinci here and we just change the color here. I want to take this color. Okay, I want to change the font size here. I want to take extra bold. Okay, and now come to add more text. For adding text, you see here you can add text. Point layout text. Point layout, this is normal. This is the inbox if you want to add box text out, and this will circle. We just take here this and add text here. Just click here. So you see we have added text here and now we can type. This is our text one which we wrote here DaVinci. Here we type resolve here and we want to change the color because background is white, so it's not good. We take some other color. So for example, we take red, this red, no, okay, this color we take and we can change the size if you know the basic settings etc in DaVinci Resolve. Okay, and from here you can change the bold. You can take regular size, extra, light bold, semi bold, italic. I take this semi bold italic. Okay, we can change anytime the color if we are not satisfied. We take like something like this. Okay, and now we come here to add more text. Here you see here and circle layout, it means we can add circle text. Just click here. Once you click here, it will add you this. You see text 3 means we can type other text here. So we just click here and I want to type tutorial free course. Okay, it's not visible, so we change the color here. We just come here and we take something like, okay, you see red color we take. Okay, and we change the font here. I want extra bold, and now you can see we have added this round circle text here. It's so good and you can use, dear friend, for your production work. It's a really a good feature now in DaVinci Resolve 20 update. And you can change the position etc. From here you see settings. We come for extra settings, we change the position. Now you can change here. For example, I want here and you can up down, you can go to up down here, you can add from here and you can start keyframing etc. If you know zoom effects you can give. If you know, if you have followed my last classes etc about keyframing, you can understand how much you can customize inside DaVinci Resolve. So dear friend, this is really a premium feature and totally free features. We just move it to here and anytime you can come here in title. From here you can delete here. If you want to hide here, just click here, it will be hidden. You see it has been hidden. I want to just hide this. You can hide any text here and anytime you can just customize. You just click here and you come to this, you come to here DaVinci Resolve tutorial. In you can change the font position etc. Here all tracking, color, font, all are available. Paragraph, you want to add paragraph like this, you see it will be this side, it will be this side, it will be this side. Here change here, you see here I am changing. You can justify the font from here. You see here it will move to this side. Try one by one and you will understand what's the work of this. So this is our default here and you can anytime change from here. This is the work of paragraph. These are all the advanced settings here. And here you can add direction. It will be horizontal and vertical. You can add like this, but I don't need vertical. You have to take a small text and then you can make it vertical. You can take reverse horizontal. It has reverse our text here. And from here you can take reverse verticals, the reverse vertical, but I don't need this. I take this automatic size here. And reading direction you can change from here, left to right here, and right to left. Okay, we take here automatic and use font kerning. Here all are the settings other about the font merge. This is the advanced we learn. And here apply mode etc. In screen mode it will be in screen mode. And it will be darken. You see darken, you can change like apply mode, color burn. If you know the mode, apply mode, what's the mode, it's the advanced. And light you can change on one by one here. Linear light, you see it's the linear light. Drive. And you see, if you need advanced class about this text, please write me in the comment box. I will make you advanced class for you. See here, luminosity, it will like luminosity effect etc. Here all are the advanced saturation you can add from here. You see here exclusion you can add. So these are the work of this blend mode. Difference you can add here. See here linear light. Okay, hard light you can take here. Color burn, if you want color burn like this, I take this screen. Or otherwise you type here normal, it is normal size here. Apply gain etc. All are available here, dear friend. Try this is actually good features, multi-text features here in DaVinci Resolve 20 update. Our next new feature is also related to text, customized text. For this you come here, just you see here basic text here, custom title, text plus. If you haven't gone through my text plus class, go and you will learn advanced class about this, then it will be easy. We just drag it to our timeline here, and now we can write multiple sentences. So we come here to title here, you see we have selected, and I want to type. For example, we come to the website of DaVinci Resolve here, and I want to copy this all several texts here. Okay, we have copied here, and now we come to DaVinci Resolve here. I want to type all this, just paste. You see we have several sentences here. First we change the color. Actually we take something red, okay, and this color. And from here we change the font etc. Several fonts are available according to your choice, you change. And here all size you can change etc. But we come here to, after pasting all text here, we come to layout. In layout you see we have, this is the point mode. And now we have text box mode, we have circle mode. This is a text box, just click text box. And this is our new feature, wrap to text box and clip to text box. It will be in the middle. We need these actually. You see we have now in the text box we have several sentences. And no, it's not visible because we have to minimize the size from here. We just minimize size and make it smaller. You can see here several sentences we have here, so easily we have put in the screen here. You can add keyframing etc. if you know about the advanced about the DaVinci Resolve from my last class. Come here and text here, you see here text etc. And you can change positions. In setting we come here and we can change the position, something like this here. Our text will be here. So several sentences you can type here, and we take another text in the same way. Here we type here, we want to type DaVinci Resolve tutorial for you. See we have several, and we change the color from here. Okay, something red. And now come to our layout here. In layout here, this is the point mode, and this is text, and you can make it circle. We have in circle here, and you can change the position. Come here to settings here, like in this way, and you can start keyframing etc. Trojan's virus enters, which actually, so you see, it's so good. In this update of DaVinci Resolve 20 here, the most important update is about the cache management. You know, DaVinci Resolve creates lots of cache files and your system becomes slow. You have to delete manually all files etc. or media cache files etc. But after this update, DaVinci Resolve can automatically delete all these cache files. For these settings, you have to come here. You see here, we are here in DaVinci Resolve here. Click here DaVinci Resolve and come here. You see preference, control plus comma is shortcut. Just click here. Now come here for cache management. You see user system. We have to come to user here. In user, come here, cache management. Now you can see here I have 14 days, but I will not wait. In 14 days my system will be very slow. I want to delete every day after editing, so we will just write here 1. Okay, we will delete our file every day. If you use DaVinci Resolve and you edit video regularly, don't forget to make all these settings here. So come here and write 1 and save. Now it's a save every day. DaVinci Resolve will delete cache files from our system. Okay, now the next update is about now we can define media location when creating new project. Let's see how it works. Now come here in the corner here, you see here home. Here, just click here. Otherwise, when you create, you will find this icon. No, I want to create new project. Just click here, new project. Okay, now I can name new project here DaVinci tutorial, and now we can define our own location. We can create on our folder, on our D drive, F drive, anywhere, and from here we can change location, so all our media will be stored in our desired location. So for example, I have this change location. I can change location. Will come here. I will take any location here. Okay, I take this folder here. Now select. Okay, create. Now we have created a timeline defining our own location. So it's a very good that you have more control on DaVinci Resolve, and you have the internal control on DaVinci Resolve regarding the file, folder, cache management, etc. One major update in DaVinci Resolve is about Intelliscript. Intelliscript is the new concept in the field of video editing, and this is available only in DaVinci Resolve Studio version only. If you have Studio version, then you can use this. Let's see how it works here. Just come to any clip, just import clip. I have already imported clip here, and I just click on this clip, right click on your mouse and come here. You see AI tools here. In AI tools, just transcribe your clip first. Here you can see, just transcribe, and now you can see we have transcribed the whole clip here. Now come here, you can see here this icon here, just click here to import. Now I want to import, I want to just name here obvious Intelli. I want to save on desktop. You can save anywhere. You can assign the location here, path here. I will assign the path of desktop here. Just click here. Okay, now we want to save, and remember that this transcribed file is saved in txt. Here you can see txt format. Okay, now save. Okay, now we can close here. So now we come to our desktop here. In desktop, here you can see here we have file here. Just we shift here, and now you can open in any notepad etc. Okay, I want to open in notepad. And now you can see here we have a script, the whole script. Now we can actually trim. For example, we don't need some part of the sentence, we can directly trim. It's very useful when you have long tutorial video or documentary video like me. If you don't use these features, you have to trim on timeline. It's a very good here. You can see now we can trim. For example, time code, we don't need time code. Intelliscript is so intelligent, it will just read your sentence and trim your video. For example, I want to just show you for demo. I want to trim this long sentence here. You see this, I don't want to keep this part. We can read here and we can delete some part. I want to delete this part. Okay, here. Okay, you can see we have deleted this part, and now we have only this part here. In the middle of sentence, I want to delete this part here. You can see here, this part I don't want to keep. Okay, now we have deleted this part too. Now we come here, want to delete this part. Now you can see here, I want to delete in the middle of sentences. I don't need some part of this sentence. For example, now let's come here. You see this sentence. I want to delete this because I automatically spoke this. I don't need in the video, so I will delete. Now you can see we have deleted this part. Now we come here, this part. I have deleted this part here. Time code you can keep, no problem, but I have deleted all this time code here. Okay, now you can see I want to keep only this part. I want to delete this in the middle of sentence here. You can see here. Now we have prepared our script here. Now we can save here. Okay, now Control S. Okay, we have saved the file and just we closed. Now we come to DaVinci Resolve here. We have this clip. We have transcribed this clip, and we have edited. We have removed some parts of the video which we don't need. Now right click on the clip, and now you come here. You see here AI. In AI, just click here. You see here audio transcription. We don't need. We need this here. You can see here create new timeline using Intelliscript. Actually, this is the features, AI feature. So we just click here, and now you have to select the clip. So we have clip on our desktop here. You can see here, this is our clip, OBS Intelli. We just select this clip and open here. Now you can see here. Now you can see automatically DaVinci Resolve has trimmed all the bad part which we have trimmed in text file, and it has provided me the clip, and we don't need to trim the whole video on the timeline. So you can see this is actually the magic of this Intelliscript. Hello dear friend, if this video is useful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel dear friend. I am working hard, I am very much tired, demotivated dear friend. This year we have to achieve 1,000 subscribers. It's a very necessary for me to grow on YouTube dear friend. Spread this channel to the wider audiences on YouTube so that this video can be useful to your friends, and you can share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. This tutorial may be very useful to you, and you can visit our playlist there. The whole playlist of DaVinci Resolve tutorial is available. Go and learn and see and write in the comment box. Without wasting time, now let's see this feature. So you can see here, we have trimmed the bad part of the video. We have several cuts. We cut here, and this part. You can see here, we have cut this part here. Now let's see here, we deleted the part here. If this, it has so smartly trimmed our clips in several parts here where we have deleted in our notepad, and you can open even notepad here where we have a file here. Open with notepad. Now open DaVinci Resolve here. Now you can listen one by one. It's so perfectly working that I am so much amazed. Here you see one by one. I tried a lots of clips and it's really work. If you want to work on the long project, take the project and use this method of Intelliscript and trim the bad parts all, and then export to Intelliscript. Create timeline using Intelliscript, and you will get this result very soon. I don't need to do anything, and so fast I have edited my video here. You can see here all everywhere is a trim here. Customize appearance in a style we can. Okay dear friend, come here anytime. You can see here audio transcribe from here, and here just click here, create new timeline using Intelliscript. Try. Our next new feature is about import Blackmagic cloud shared folders to media pool. Now using these features, you can directly import shared folders from Blackmagic shared folder to your media pool, and you can use this for video editing. This is very good for those people who work in collaboration and they are sitting in different corner of the world and they edit together. For those people, this is the really a good feature. I don't use these features, but I have access to Blackmagic cloud service. So we come here for this service. Come to media pool first. Here you see I have some clips from our tutorial classes. Come here. Here you can see here this icon, cloud, import Blackmagic cloud folder. This is the new feature. Just click here, and you must have connected to Blackmagic cloud folder. Once you have to create your login, password, etc. Sync only. Here you see sync proxy and used originals. Sync proxies only. There are two options. I use sync proxy and use originals. Here no folder selected, so we can select folder directory from here. You see Blackmagic. My account is here. You see connected here. Now go, just click here, go to Blackmagic cloud service. Now we are in Blackmagic cloud service here. Welcome to Blackmagic cloud service. Just click here. Okay, if you have anything here, you can directly import to your media pool, then you will understand how to work. So try use these features dear friend. No, I am in Ukraine. No, I don't know, because of the some problem here I am not able to access directly here. You see unknown errors. Selecting Blackmagic cloud plant is currently unavailable due to an unknown error. Because of this error, but I will get access very soon. Once I get access, I will use this feature. In your country maybe it's working now. Try these features. If you have access to the Blackmagic cloud service, you must use. Our next feature is AI dialogue matcher. This is the studio features, new AI features in DaVinci Resolve. This feature is useful for those peoples after post-production editings who has a good audio clip, where the surrounding of audio is very good. There is no loudness, there is no noise, in the background. Very clean audio in the clean surroundings. And you have other clips very bad noise, and if you want to edit, it's a very tough work. But here what we will do, you can see here we have this clip here. For example, I have this clip. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to use Intelliscript. So you can see here our audio is good. It was recorded in the good atmosphere, and the quality of sound is also good. So I want to apply this profile only to here. For example, here this is our clip. Here I have noise settings, all the parameters, all parts are very important. In here I have noise. So dear friend, I want to apply this profile of this clip to all these our three clips here. You can apply this profile to any clips if you have from different surroundings. So first you come here, click here, just click on this clip, and now come to clip here. You see here window here, DaVinci Resolve, file, edit, trim, timeline, clip here. Just click here, clip. In clip, just come here. You see clip is selected. Now we come here to clip direct here. In clip, you see AI tools. Here you see there are two options, voice convert. We have on the playlist how to convert voice. Go and see. But in this tutorial, we will cover this only. So come here, dialogue matcher. No, you see dialogue matcher, capture dialogue profile. So I want to capture the profile dialogue of this here only profile. Okay. Now come here, AI tools, capture. So you see very fast we have capture, because this clip is a small, so it has a very fast capture profile. Now we come here, we want to apply to these three clips. We just select three clips here. Okay, here. Now come here to clip again. In clip, come here to AI tool profile here, AI tools. You see apply. Now we have this option only, apply dialog profile, because we have already captured dialog profile. And now I will apply this to these 3-4 clips here. Just apply profile here, dialog profile. Now you see it has analyzed and very fast applied. Okay, now we can listen from here. We will go through all the settings, all the parameters. Now, how to use Intelliscript? We will go through all the settings, all the parameters. You can see here it has applied so fast here this profile of this audio to this. So this is the work of AI dialogue matcher. In the new update of DaVinci Resolve here, now we have optimized UI layout for vertical editing. Let's see how we can use this optimized UI layouts for vertical editing. First come here, this is our 4K video ultra UHD resolution. We just come here, you see here we can create this to directly vertical. I use my YouTube short like this. It's very convenient if you use DaVinci Resolve. You see portrait 1080 by 920. This is the YouTube short resolution. So you can see we have vertical resolution now. Once you have created vertical resolution here for YouTube short etc, Instagram short etc, come here, you see here. Actually this is the icon for our short layout. You see here now we have this layout here. So it's a very convenient. From here you can directly go anywhere. You can shift in your clip. It's like a small timeline for vertical resolution editings for YouTube short etc. Here you can see we have all features like transform, crop, dynamic, zoom, fusion, overlay. Everything is available here, same like this. So this is very small features, very good for those people who create YouTube short. Most of times you can shift from anywhere. From here you see I can shift here. You see I am shifting here to our timeline here. Here you see I just click here and I am shifting here. You see here anywhere you can shift here and you can play from here. If you want to return to default, just click here. You see here no, our vertical is here. You see, remember this here near DIM. Just click here. Now we have returned to here this size here. Anytime if you want to return to vertical resolution layout here, just come here. You see DIM is here. No, we have here. We just click here and now we can return here. So this is the very good handy feature. Right, dear friend, I use these features, very cool small features for content creator of YouTube short, Instagram shorts etc. Now we have custom sort of clip thumbnails in the media pool. Let's see how it works. If you have lots of clips, you want to customize according to yourself, you want to change the order, reposition clips, then it's a very good feature. It's a very small feature, but it's really helps a lot while you have lots of projects. For example, you see we have here 4 projects. Let's see how it works. You can see here 3 icon here. Just click here. You see here file name, reel name, duration type. According to this, you can certify your clips etc. But here we have custom now. You see here. When you custom, you can put clips anywhere. For example, now I can put here. You see. Now it's a snipping. I want to put this clip here. See how it's good. Now I want to keep this clip. I want to position this clip here in the middle. Here. I want to change position here. I want to put here. I want to put this here. So this is really it's you see it's a snapping. It has a snapping character. So this is really a handy feature if you have several lots of clip. For example, medias. You see I have several medias folder here. Now I want to use this feature. Come here. These 3 lines here and custom. Already I have custom selected. Now I can snap. I want to put this here. You see here. I want to put this image here, JPG. I want to take this JPG file here. When I have lots of projects on our timeline, there are lots of stock footage clips. It's very handy. I can remember here I have thumbnail here, I have JPG file is here. I will drag to our timeline here, so you can see it's so convenient. I want to put this to that side here you see here. I will put this here in the corner here. I can remember here I have this JPG file in the corner. I want to put to our timeline direct. At first I couldn't understand the importance of this feature, but later I came to know, explore, and I realized this is really a good feature. When you have lots of medias, then you will understand the importance, how it will help you. Now in the new update of DaVinci Resolve, you can split Photoshop PSD layers into individual timeline tracks. It's a very useful when you have Photoshop PSD files. You need to split if you want to add some gradient effects, some color effects, etc. It's a very useful. You can rasterize it in later. You can merge and you can use it for video editing. Now let's see how it works. Just come here, we move here, and now here we have Photoshop PSD file. We just drag to our timeline here. This is our file, mockup logo. And now we can split into several layers. This is the combination of raster and vector graphics, you see. So we come here and right click here on the logo. Come here, you see split PSD. Just here, you see split PSD layers in place. I want to split this. Okay, now you can see we have many layers. You see we have layer here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 layers. You see now we can split this into layers. It's a good feature in DaVinci Resolve. It's a game-changing feature. Now you can see we have split this logo into several parts. This is the PSD file. And now we can drag to our timeline here. You can separately, we can drag anywhere. You see, I have dragged here. I can increase the duration now very easily. For this clip, I want to make big duration here. I want to add like this. And you can customize according to your needs. And even you can change the color etc. For example, I want to change this color here. Come here to color page here. Okay, and now I want to give this some effect here. Just chroma bar I take. I can add this effect here. You see, like this effect. Now we have very different effect here. And we return here to our edit page. Here you see here mockup. I want to change this color here. Come here. Okay, now we can change color here. For example, I want to add some this effect here. You see here, you see like I'm changing color. You can see here like this color. You see the color is changing here. I want to add this color. Okay, now we return to edit page here, and now we can join all together timeline. This was here. Okay, you see here. In this way you can change. Try, dear friend, and explore. You can understand. You see we have changed this color here, and we can join together. Okay, here you can see. This way you can rasterize, you can change color etc. and merge together. This is the good features when you have lots of PSD file from Photoshop and you want to add this as a stock footage, stock clips, JPG file in DaVinci Resolve for editing. It will help you a lot. Hello dear friends, so we have gone through most of features added in DaVinci Resolve 20. Most of features are free, some AI features are paid for the studio version, but for simple editing, these features are enough for us. Don't forget to subscribe the channels. Write me in the comment box which type of tutorial about DaVinci Resolve you want, and try all these features. Write me in the comment box how this tutorial could help you to improve the understanding of DaVinci Resolve 20 after this class, dear friend. I see you in the next class. Take care. Bye.